नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, लास्ट लेक्चरला आपण मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिक या चॅप्टरमधील एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.1 मधील क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2 and 3 कंप्लीट केलेले आहे. नाउ वी स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 of the exercise number 1.1. Question number 4 is, if statement P, Q are true statements and RS are false statement, then determine the truth values of the following. Means you have to determine the truth value of the following compound statement, and we have to given that directly statement P and Q true and statement R and S are false here. By using this truth value, we can determine the truth value of the given compound statement now. Now first compound statement is P or Q and R. P or Q and R. This is the first compound statement. Now we determine the truth value of this by using this given truth value of P, Q, R and S statement. Solution. We have statement P is true, and statement P is given T, statement Q is also given T, R is also given, R and S are false, means F. S statement is given F. Now we consider or let compound statement. Compound statement is P or Q and R. P or Q and R. Now we replace P by T, Q by T and R by F, because these are the truth values of the given statement. We have to given this in the question. P is T or Q is T and R is F. R is F. Now these are equivalent or logical equivalent, we can say that. We solve this first. T or, now we have logic T and T is T, that is T and T is implies T, otherwise F. This is the logic of AND. We use this logic here, that is T and T is T, but here T and F, therefore it is in otherwise means F. We can write F. Logical equivalence or equivalent, we can say that. Now T or F. Now we know the logic of R, that is F or F is logical is equals to F, otherwise T. Now is it is F or F? No. If F or F, we can write F, otherwise T. But it is T or F, and therefore we write T here. We can write T here. Now hence truth value is T. Hence truth value is T. In this way we can determine the truth value of the given compound statement P or Q and R. P or Q and R. Now take the next example. Second, P then Q, P then Q or R then S, R then S. Solution. We have statement P is true means T, statement Q is true means T, statement R is false means F, and statement S is false means F. Now compound statement, let Given compound statement is P then Q or R then S. R then S. Logical equivalence to P. P is T, then Q is also T, or R is F, then S is also F. Now first we solve this bracket and this bracket. We know the logic of then. What is the logic of then? T then F implies F, otherwise T. If it is T then F, then we write F, otherwise T. It is possible that T then F? No, it is T then T, therefore we write otherwise means T. Or F then F, it is also T, because T then F is only F, otherwise T. Now logical equivalence T or T. Now we know the logic of or F or F, otherwise T, means this is in otherwise means write T. Therefore truth value is T. Truth value is T. Means truth value of this statement is, this compound statement is T. आपल्या लक्षात येईलच. Just we use the logic of and or if then if and only if and negation here. That is T and T, T otherwise F, F or F otherwise T, T then F otherwise T, T if and only if T, F if and only if F, T otherwise F, and negation T F and negation F T. We use this logic here only. Now take next question. Now next question, third. Q and R or negation P and S. Negation P and S. Solution. We have statement P is true, statement Q is true, statement R is F, and statement S is F. This is we have to given in question. Now compound statement. That is Q and R or negation P and S. We replace Q by T, Q and P by T, R and S by F. Now here Q is T and R is F, or negation P means T and S is F. First we solve the negation and then we use the bracket. Then we solve the bracket. T and F, or negation T is F. We know negation T is F. Now T and F, T and F, T and T, T, otherwise F means it is F, or F and F, it is F again, because T and T, T, it is in otherwise, logical equivalence to. Now F or F, F, it is F. Hence truth value is F. Truth value is F. तुमच्या लक्षात येईलच. जस्ट तुमच्याकडे लॉजिक असणं गरजेचं आहे. बाय युजिंग दिस लॉजिक अँड ऑर इफ देन इफ एंड ओनली वी सॉल्व दिस एग्जांपल. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. P then Q and negation R. P then Q and negation R. Solution. We have to given P is T, Q is T, R is F, S is F. Statement. We have to given statement, or we can say that compound statement overall. P then Q and negation R. We replace truth value P Q R. It is T, then T, and negation it is F. R is F. Now logical equivalence. T then F, otherwise T. Therefore it is T. It is not T then F, it is other than. Therefore we write T. And negation F is what here? T. This negation F is what? T. We know negation T F, negation F T. Logical equivalence. T and T, it is T. It is not in otherwise form. Hence, truth value is T. तुमच्या लक्षात येतच असेल, आपण जस्ट ज्या व्हॅल्यूज दिलेल्या आहे तुम्हाला पी क्यू आर एसच्या ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज, त्या व्हॅल्यूजचा उपयोग करून आपण हे सॉल्व्ह करतोय. नाव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. negation R if and only P. Negation R if and only P, then negation Q. Then negation Q. Solution. We have P is T, Q is T, R is F, and also S is F. Statement. Let statement. Statement is negation R, then if and only P, then negation Q. Logical equivalence. Negation R is F, if and only T, P is T here. Then negation Q is T. Negation F, T, if and only T. Then negation T F implies T if and only T is T. Yes, it is. Then F. Now T then F is F again. T then F is F. We can write F here. Hence, truth value is F, because T then F is F. Here negation F is T, T as it is, negation T is F. T if and only if T is T. This is the logic of if and only if, then F. T then F is again F. Hence, truth value is F. Truth value is F. Now take the next question. Question number 6. Example number 6 now here. Negation P. Negation P and negation Q and R. Negation Q and R, or Q and R, or P and R, P and R, P and R. Solution. Again we have P is T, Q is also T, R is F, S is also F. These are the truth values P, Q, R and S. Statement. Negation P and negation Q and R, or Q and R, or P and R. We replace truth values of P, Q, R and S here. Negation T and negation T and R is F, or Q is T and R is F, or P is T and R is F. From here we can replace this value P, Q, R and S. Now we first use the logic of negation. Here negation T is F, and here negation T is F again, and F means only we solve negation, or T and F, or T and F again, T and F or T and F. Now F and we solve the bracket now. Logic of AND is T and T T. It is not T and T, therefore we can write it is F, or T and T T, it is otherwise means F, or T and T otherwise means F again. Now F and F, T and T T, it is in otherwise again, or F or F F. Now we can write F here. Now again F or F F, we can write F. Hence truth value is F. Truth value of this statement is what? F. This compound statement is F. Now next 7 number. Negation P and Q. Negation P and Q and negation R, or Q then P, Q then P, then negation S or R, negation S or R. Solution, we have P is T, Q is T, R is F, and S is also F. Now statement. Statement is negation P and Q and negation R, or Q then P, then negation S or R. We replace the truth values of the given statement. Negation P means negation T and T because P is T, Q is T, and negation F because R is F, or T then T because both are P and Q are T, P and P, Q and P, here both are T, then negation S, S is F, or R is again F. Now here is the negation. Negation T is F and T, and negation F is T, or T then T, then negation F is T or F. Now we solve the bracket here. F and T, T and T T, it is in otherwise, therefore F. And T now, or T then F F, it is T, then F or F F, it is in otherwise, therefore T. Now and logic of and T and T T, otherwise F means it is otherwise, or logic of then T then F F, otherwise T means it is T. Logical again. Now logic of or F or F F, otherwise T, it is otherwise means T. Hence truth value is T. Truth value is T. This is the 7 number. Now last is number 8. Number 8. Negation in bracket negation P and R. P and R, or S then negation Q, S then negation Q, bracket complete, if and only P and R. Solution: we have again statement P is true, statement Q is true, statement R is false, and statement S is false. This is we have to given. Now statement, or we can write compound statement here. Negation in bracket, negation P and R, or S then negation Q, bracket complete, if and only P and R. Now we replace truth value, negation T and R is F, or S is F, then negation Q is T, bracket complete, if and only T and F, because P is T and R is F. Negation T is F and F, or F, then this negation T is F, bracket complete, if and only T and F. Now we solve the bracket. Negation T and T, otherwise F, means this is F, or T then F, otherwise T, therefore it is T, if and only if T and T, otherwise F, means this is F. Logically, negation. Now here F or F, otherwise T, means this is T, if and only if F. Now negation T is F, if and only if F. We know if and only F, if and only if F is T, hence truth value is T. Truth value is T. This is the question number 4. There are 8 examples. That is, we have to given that P and Q are true and R and S are false. Then we find the truth values of the given statement here. Truth value of the given statement here. Now last question of this exercise number 1.1 is number 5. Question number 5. Write the negation of the following. Write the negation of the following. We write the negation of the given statement now here. Only we have to write negation. Now first is Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. First statement is Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Now we write the negation of this, that is Tirupati is not in Andhra Pradesh. Solution: we use the not here only. Tirupati is not in Andhra Pradesh. This is the negation. Now second is 3 is not a root of the equation. Root of the equation. X square plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. Minus 18 is equal to 0. We have to given that 3 is not a root of the equation x square plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. If we use the negation, then negation of negation is cancel, means 3 is a root of the equation x square plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. Solution. Negation of this not is get cancelled to each other, therefore solution is 3 is a root of the equation x square plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. This is the negation of this statement. Now next is root 2 is a rational number. Root 2 is a rational number. Now its negation. Root 2 is not a rational number. Simple, we use the not here. Root 2 is not a rational number. Root 2 is not a rational number. Simply we have to use not here. Means we have to use the negation here. Next. Polygon ABCD is a pentagon. ABCDE is a polygon, is a pentagon. Solution. Means simple, polygon ABCD is not a pentagon. Means not here only. Polygon ABCDE is not, we use not here only, a pentagon. And last question, that is last example, here we have to write the negation of this. 7 plus 3 is greater than 5. 7 plus 3 is greater than 5. Now we write the negation of this as like, it is greater than, means we write is not a greater than, means as like solution here. 7 plus 3 is not greater than 5. Is not greater than 5. Or we can use this as like is less than or equals to 5. Is less than or equals to 5. Not greater than means what? Is less than or equals to 5. Or 7 plus 3 is less than or equals to 5. This also correct, this also correct. 7 plus 3 is less than or equals to 5 means not a greater than. It is clear? No. Now this exercise will be complete here. And now at next lecture, we start next topic, that is statement pattern and logical equivalence. कृपा करून तुम्हाला या संपूर्ण व्हिडिओचा फायदा होण्याकरता, लेक्चरचा फायदा होण्याकरता तुम्ही या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्स.